Hey there, welcome back. So I was talking to a buddy at work the other day, and he was telling me that he and his young son were watching one of my videos, and his son was really into it. I first discovered woodworking in high school. We actually did it in school. Obviously, they don't teach shop class anymore. So if this young man can see me on YouTube and maybe be inspired or maybe think woodworking is cool, to me, that's the coolest thing in the world. To thank this young man for watching my videos, I decided I wanted to make him something. When I asked what kind of stuff he was into, I learned that he really liked Zelda. Who doesn't like Zelda? My mind immediately went to making this young man a sword. That idea was shot down over the fear of decapitation, so I'm gonna make him something else. So Max, little buddy, this is for you. So let's get into it. I've got these two cherry boards here. I'm gonna send them through the jointer and the planer and get them all flat and true. Now that they're flat and coplanar, I can go ahead and glue these up now. Now we'll let that go for a couple of hours. Over to the CNC. All right, let's get this thing out of the clamps. Oh, hey, how'd that get there?
Gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it.
Weird. This machine is awesome. Gonna mix up some tabletop epoxy here to seal this in, so when I put the colored epoxy in, it won't stain the wood. And now we mix. Unfortunately, at this point, we are done with this for the day. Gotta let this set up for 12 hours or so. Max's favorite color is purple, so that's what we're gonna do here. And now we mix again.
Fire! Yeah! Yeah! Fire! 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 Fire!
One eternity later.
This has had sufficient time to cure, so now I'm going to send it through the drum sander and get everything flat and smooth. This is definitely a make or break moment here. This might completely screw up the entire project. I'm not nervous at all. And that, my friends, is exactly what I was looking for. With luck, the light will shine from the back through the front. We're gonna find out. Gonna round the corners on this, start to make it look kind of good. Gonna start sanding this. I'm gonna do so pretty lightly. This top here is very thin, as you can probably imagine. So I definitely want to be very conservative here. So go ahead and get a finish on the top portion. Let it sit for a while.
Well, you get back to work, okay? Get to rubbing deep in the crevices.
I've got this backer board here, and this is what I'm going to attach the lights to that will shine up through this. Well, this process has not been my favorite thing. Be pulling glue off my fingertips for days to come, but I think the payoff is going to be worth it. Hell yes, that is what I wanted to see.